Welcome to Bridal Series with Immy. In this series, I'll be sharing my tips and tricks and lots of information on how you can look your best and feel your best on your big day. Whether you're getting married or not, I know you guys are gonna love these. Keep watching. Hi guys, welcome to Bridal Series with Immy. Today is the first episode of my bridal series and we are going to be making a concoction which is gonna make your hair grow like anything for your big day. Whether you are a bride or you're not a bride, this potion works for everyone. I don't know why I'm calling it a potion. It is a hair oil and it is an all-natural Ayurvedic hair oil which is really effective. So before we carry on with the video, do consider subscribing to my channel because I share remedies and videos and a whole bunch of stuff every single week, and this is my first episode of my bridal series. So this hair oil is super effective and we're going to be needing a couple of seeds, a couple of leaves and a couple of oils. We're going to be cooking this oil up and it is going to be stored in your cupboard. You can actually store it for up to 6 months. You can even batch make it and give it to your bridesmaids, and you can like let your family use it. It is so easy to make as well. So just a heads up, this is just my first episode of my bridal series, but I will have a lot more videos coming up, so do stay tuned. I will try to make a playlist as well. You don't need to spend a lot of money on salons and you can pretty much do everything at home without using too many chemicals. Everything is natural, organic and effective. So for my hair oil, I start off with some kalongi or black seed. So black seed is Nigella seeds and these are great for your health, and it is no surprise that they are amazing for your hair, guys. So these are anti-inflammatory, which is going to reduce inflammation and irritation on your scalp. Our second main ingredient is called Methi dana, which is also known as FENUGREEK seeds. These are amazing for new moms because they actually help with milk production, but you guys don't need to worry about that just now. You can use it in your hair, and what we're going to do is we're going to add it to our mixture. These are packed with vitamin A, K and C. So the other main ingredient that I'm using are curry leaves. If you have fresh, that is great. The ones that I'm using were fresh, but they were kept in my fridge, so that's why they look a little bit dry. So these are also a rich source of protein. So you know all those expensive protein treatments that you are getting from the salon, this is also packed with protein and is really going to help with regrowth. If you've got like bald patches, I had a bald patch right here, this entire patch has regrown with this oil. Our fourth main ingredient, and it is one of our last ingredients, is aloe vera. So aloe vera I actually use fresh. I actually just get the plant, I cut it up, I don't even take the skin off, and I just pop it in the bowl or whatever I'm going to cook it in. So aloe vera has healing properties, which is something that I keep touching on, and this is rich in vitamin A, C and E and also B2. So the base of my hair oil is mustard seed oil. So mustard seed oil is really easy to get in Indian grocery stores and it is the perfect base. You can cook it up, it doesn't lose its properties. If you want to use a different oil, I recommend either using olive oil, but if you're using olive oil, use the virgin one because you have to cook it up, of course, or you can even use coconut oil. One thing I like to do is I also add in argan oil just to like make it extra rich, and then we're gonna put it on the stove. I usually cook it for about an hour on really slow heat. Once you have cooked up your oil, let it cool down. When it is cooled down, you are ready to sieve it. Make sure you sieve it once or twice because sometimes you can get like tiny particles in your oil. And then just get any bottle at all. This is the bottle that I am using, and you are ready to store your hair oil. So this is the same bottle that the mustard seed oil came in. I just poured it in and that is what it looks like. It is ready to use. You can actually warm it up a little bit every time you use it for a really good effect. Wrap your hair up and this is gonna do magic to your hair. So as I mentioned, this was episode 1 of my bridal series, which is my magical hair growth oil. If you do have any suggestions or recommendations, do let me know in the comments section below. I would love to touch on topics that you guys are interested in. Thank you guys so much for watching, guys. Bye bye.